the ribbon. And I certainly hope everyone can help spread the word about Brushstroke Creative. It's a medium that can help anyone materialize their ideas through the company's out-of-the-box design philosophy and state-of-the-art machinery. Don't forget, now is the time to silently bid for the items in our silent auction. You'll see everything displayed in the Brushstroke Creative showroom. The items for the silent auction are all inside the showroom. Good luck. Kindly place your bids behind these tables. Again, thank you very much. Thank you to again our sponsors, Paradise Mango Yacht Reserve, 9001, which is again created by a man who made his vision to bring wine beauty to this generation of men